Assalamu alaikum. I am Kamrul Hassan, studying computer science and engineering at Shahjalal University and Science and Technology. I hope you all guys are doing extremely well. We are going to discuss national income identity. Do you think national income identity, GDP, national income are same? Let's see. National income identity or NNI is the equation that explains how a country GDP is generated. It shows that GDP comes from the sum of y equal to C plus I plus G plus NX, where C is the consumption, I is the investment, G is the government spending, NX is net export. On the other hand, GDP stands for gross domestic product, the total value of the goods and services product within the country, including by both local and foreign companies. GDP is equal to also the same equation C plus I plus G plus NX. Uh, Although the two equations look the same, there are a small difference between them. The national income identity is the equation. The equation is called national income identity. Besides, using this equation, we will find some value. The value of goods or services is called GDP. Now we will see the national income. The total income earned by residents of the country, including income earned by residents abroad and excluding income earned by foreigners within a country. National income equal to GDP minus depreciation plus net foreign income. What is the difference between GDP and national income? Suppose if a Japanese company produces car in Bangladesh, the value of those cars count in Bangladesh's GDP because the production happened inside Bangladesh. National income is the total income earned by country's citizen. It is derived from GDP but excluded income earned by foreign companies inside the country and include income earned by local companies abroad. What is national income equation? National income NI equal to GDP minus depreciation plus net foreign income. What is depreciation? Depreciation is the decrease the value of an asset over time. Mainly it is due to usage, aging, wear and tears. For example, if someone buys a car for 2 million taka, after 1 year its price drops, let's say 1.7 million taka. 2 million minus 1.7 million equal to 3 lakh taka will be the depreciation. Why are prices falling? By being a owner of a car, you will drive it. Then it goes to aging wear and tears. Then after 1 year, if you goes to sell the car, the value of the car decrease. Now let me give you an example of net foreign income. Let the country earn 50 billion from investment abroad, but pay 30 billion to foreign investor. Net will be $50 billion minus $30 billion equal to $20 billion will be the net foreign income. Now let's go to the next slide. Now we will see the different approaches to measure GDP. GDP can measure using three different approaches in economy. These are production approach or value added approach. This is also called output approach. GDP equal to revenue minus value of intermediate goods. Second approach is income approach or earning approach. Here GDP equal to wages plus profit plus rent plus interest. Third one is expenditure approach. GDP equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Here C is consumption, I is investment, G is government spending, X means export minus import. Production approach. According to production approach, GDP equal to revenue minus value of intermediate goods. What is revenue? What is value of intermediate goods? Example, if a company produces a car, the revenue is the price at which the car is sold. Steel and tires used to make a car. Steel and tires will be the intermediate goods. Let's move to the next. Now we will calculate GDP using expenditure approach and income or earning approach. Using expenditure approach, GDP is the sum of personal consumption expenditure, private investment expenditure, government consumption expenditures, net export. Export minus import equal to net export. According to expenditure approach, gross domestic product GDP equal to the sum of all our things. According to income or earning approach, first we should calculate national income. What is national income? National income is the sum of compensation for labors, means wages, rent from land, interest and profit. Profit are two types: proprietor's income, corporate profit. What is proprietor's income? Proprietor's income. Proprietor's income is the total income earned by farm and non-farm business owners. Example SME, smaller medium enterprise, is the example of proprietor's income. On the other hand, corporate profit. Corporate profit is the money a company earned after paying all its cost and taxes. Example LTD, INC, PLC. LTD means limited, INC means incorporated, PLC means public limited company. These all the business structure used by company. National income minus indirect business tax equal to net national product. Indirect business tax means sales tax, VAT, service tax, etc. Why we should subtract indirect business tax from national income? Since sales tax, VAT, service tax, these taxes increase the price of goods, but they do not directly contribute to the factory income. They are subtracted when calculate NNP. It is collected by the businesses and paid to the government. They are not part of actual earnings. So we subtract indirect business tax from national income. NNP plus depreciation equal to GNP. GNP plus outward remittance minus inward remittance equal to GDP. What is outward remittance? What is inward remittance? Money sent out of the country by residents to foreign countries is called outward remittance. Money received into the country from abroad is called inward remittance. What we have learned? We have seen the difference between national income identity, GDP, national income, as well as three different approaches to measure GDP. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.